Hello traders, welcome back to the JC Trades YouTube channel where I post my raw and authentic trading journey. Today is Thursday, January 22nd, 2026, and I'll be walking you guys through two trades that I ended up taking for the day, my thought process behind both of them, and why they ultimately didn't end up working out. So let's get straight into it. Okay, to start the day off, off market open, which was right here. We ended up running these lows to the left from London session. If we zoom out, we ran these lows at London session, and then we came down and set up somewhat of an AMD model. So if we look here, we have a bunch of accumulation, and then we manipulated and eventually had a distribution leg. So that aligned also with the fact that we tapped into this 15-minute gap and then formed a 1 minute as well as a 30-second inversion up here, which is what I took the trade off of. So I front ran this gap a little bit, but also took a 30-second inverse. And as well, if we look at ES, we also have an SMT at these highs, a bearish SMT. So this all was an A+ setup for me, every confluence that I need to get into this trade. So I got in right here. I had targets for a 1-to-1 at these, at the bottom of this accumulation zone, and then full profits at this London low. So I'm taking this trade 9 times out of 10. It's A+ setup for me. So see how it worked out. End up coming down, didn't tap my TP1, which was here. Didn't tap my TP1 and reversed for a small loss. I ended up moving break even down here. Didn't scale out yet. I should have scaled out here, but ended up moving break even and got stopped out down here for like a small $50 loss. So I still had one more bullet in the chamber, if you will, one more trade idea to take. After this happened at 10:35, we look at the 15-minute, we inversed this gap that I just shorted off of, which tells me that we're most likely going higher. So I waited for a retap. We formed this 1 minute gap. We had a retap into it and then had a change in the state right here, which is where I entered the trade. Right here off this change in the state. And then I had targets of a 1-to-1 for partial profits, and then eventually a 1-to-2 right below the CE. So targeted here first for first TP and full profits here, right here at these highs. So this is my TP1 here, 663. Yeah, but let's see how this trade ended up playing out. We end up getting up here and then strong candles reversing straight to my take profits. So that's 2 quote-unquote losses for the day. The session's still going on. It's currently only 11, so there's more time to trade, but my rules tell me 2 losses and I'm done. This is how I ended up losing about, I think it was about like $430, $450. 2 great trading ideas that I would take 9 times out of 10, but I'm still figuring out this January market. I'm not going to be good in every single month, every single week, so a little bit of adjustment period. I'm definitely going to journal this, back test a lot more, and yeah, this is the game of trading. We're not going to win every trade. We're going to have losses. I'm going to post every loss. I'm going to post every win. Oh man, this one stings, bro. I'm not gonna lie. As we got down here, I was up. Not that I was staring at P&L, but I was up 500 here. This was a potential probably $1,000, $1,100 trade, which, I mean, it was a good trade. It was a good trade. So this one stings today. I'm not gonna lie, but we're back at it tomorrow. Hopefully we get more clean setups like this, because I will be taking them. Even if I lose again, I will be taking clean setups all year. So minor setback for a major comeback. Yeah, but that being said, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Drop a like, subscribe, comment if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.